Good morning, student. Today our 12th standard biology topic is Neo-Darwinism. Neo-Darwinism is one of the scientists. He is the interpretation of Darwinism evolution theory through natural selection, and it has been modified since it was proposed. Okay. The new fact and the discoveries about evolution have been led to modification of Darwinism, and it is supported by Wallace, Heinrich, Haeckel, Weismann, and Mendel. Okay, this theory embodies the changes in the frequency of genes in the population arrays due to mutation, variation, isolation, and naturalization. These are the some changes during the gene at the time the mutation changes the gene. Mutation means sudden changes. Okay, variation means some of the variation present in the organism. Then isolation means the some animals are isolated some region. Okay, then natural selection. Natural selection means the depends upon the living area that animals selected the some nature habit, that is called natural selection. Then mutation theory. Who is proposed the mutation theory? Hugo de Vries proposed the Hugo mutation theory. The mutation are sudden random changes that occur in the organism that it is not heritable. Okay? Mutation means sudden changes, suddenly changes in the some part of the organism. Okay? Changes in gene or anything in the place. Okay? De Vries carried out the experiment in the evening Morse plant, then in the Anithera lamarckiana, and observed the variation in them due to mutation. Observed the variation in them due to mutation. Okay, according to the De Vries, sudden and large variation were responsible for the origin of a new species, whereas Lamarck and Darwin believed in the gradual accumulation of all variation as the causative factor in the origin of new species. Factor, believe the one of the factor that is called mutation. The large variation was responsible for the origin of new species. Sudden changes and large variation. The mutation occur in the suddenly, then it will be lead to the large variation in the organism. Then it is a causative agent of the origin of a new species. New species arise due to the large variation mutation. Okay, then silent feature of mutation. Mutation or discontinuous variation are transmitted to other mutation, transmitted to one generation to other generation. Naturally, breeding population mutation occur from time to time. Okay? The breeding population mutation occur from the time to time. The mutual selection are naturally occur. Okay, then there are no intermediate form as there are fully fledged. Okay, there are no intermediate form of spontan. They are fully fledged. Okay, they are strictly subjected to natural selection. There is only the natural selection through the mutation will occur. Okay, and then modern synthetic theory. Okay, Sewell, Bright, Fisher, Mayer, Huxley, Dopoxinci, then Simpson and Haeckel explain the natural selection in the light of the post-Darwinism discovery. Okay, the post-Darwinism discovery, some of the scientists proved the modern synthetic theory. According to this theory, the gene mutation, chromosomal mutation, genetic recombination, natural selection, and reproduction isolation are the 5 basic factors involved in the process of organic evolution. Okay. First, we see about the gene mutation. Gene refer to the changes in the structure of the gene. Structure of it is also called gene point mutation. It is the other name of the gene point mutation, where it is changes. The gene mutation changes in the structure of the gene. It alters the phenotype of the organism and produces a variation in the offspring. The changes occur in the phenotype of an organism and producing the variation in the offspring. Offspring means the birth child. Okay, changes in the birth child. Okay, then chromosomal mutation refers to the changes in the structure of chromosome due to the deletion, addition, or duplication, inversion, or translocation. Chromosomal mutation changes in the structure of the chromosome due to some of the chromosome deleted or some of the chromosome addition. Then some of the chromosome or duplication means the same chromosome are added to the another particular one of the particular part, that is called duplication. Then inversion means the changes of the chromosomes. Translocation means the particular chromosome, only particular chromosome present. Translocation, that particular chromosome present in the another place, that is called translocation. These two alert to the phenotype of an organism, produce a variation in the offspring. This is also producing the variation of offspring. Okay, then third one is genetic recombination. The genetic recombination is due to the crossing over of gene during meiosis. This brings about genetic variation in the individual of the same species and leads to the correctable variation. The same species present in the same place, the genetic variation are present in the genetic recombination. Then it leads to the correctable variation. Okay, then natural selection does not produce any genetic variation, but once such variation occurs in the favor, some genetic changes will rejecting others. That is driving force of evaluation. Okay, then reproductive isolation help into the preventing the interbreeding between the related organisms. Reproductive isolation means the sum of the interbreeding means the same species only meet. Okay, but then other organism don't meet other organism. Okay, that is called reproductive isolation. Okay, thank you, student. Today homework is neo-Darwinism and mutation theory, modern synthetic. These are the homework today. Study and write. Thank you, student.